I've used Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash and Simple Hydrating Lightweight Moisturizer for 1 month, and this is what happened to my skin. When we talk about products in the market that are affordable, like Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash and Simple Hydrating Moisturizer, we often always wonder if these products with the price they come with are all good for our skin. So I've tried Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash and Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer for 1 full month, and this is how they reacted with my skin. I'm actually running out of this product already, and this one is nearly done. So this is how this product reacted with my skin. So just taking a little bit of tea. It's really cold out. Hello, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So in this video I'm going to give my honest review about Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash and Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer, and I have a little bit of makeup on my skin, so I'm going to show you how I use them, how I've been using them. So this is how my skin used to look like before I started using Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash and Simple Lightweight Hydrating Moisturizer. So this is my skin before, and this is my skin as we talk right now, or you can see it. So I have a little bit of makeup, so I'm just going to do a little bit of skincare as I also talk about how this product actually reacted with my skin. You always want to start by cleaning your hands before you do any skincare to avoid transfer of bacteria from your hands to your face. This is how to use Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash according to dermatologists out there. So after cleaning your hands, you want to wet your face. It's not even working well. You want to wet your face. I have a little bit of makeup on my face. The reason why I have a little bit of makeup on my face is just to show you how this Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash will clean your face if you have makeup or you just have sunscreen. So I just put a little bit of it. So if you haven't seen this product, this is how it looks like. If you haven't seen Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash, this is how this product looks. This is how it looks like. So it's a foaming cleanser. So this is one cleanser that is going to form. So if you are somebody who is looking for a foaming cleanser, this is one product you can use. So you don't need a lot of it, you just need a little bit of it. You can see how much it forms. So I'm always wondering why people think like a product, if you go out here, a product must be very pricey for it to work well on your skin. And we ignore some of the good products in the market, and we go for a very expensive product which actually you really don't need. If you find this Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash really working well for you, honestly stick to it. It will just do exactly what other cleansers that are very expensive are going to do with your skin. So I don't know if it's just me, but I grew up knowing that a skincare product has to be very expensive for it to work on your skin. You gently massage this cleanser in your skin for 60 seconds, then you go and clean it out. So just clean it out with a cloth, then I go ahead and clean it out with water again. It depends. If you want to do that with the cloth, okay. If you want to do it with water, it's just okay. But some other days, if I feel my skin is still very it's not clean, it's not very clean, I still just put a little bit of I just take a little bit of cleanser, put it on, then I just cleanse it again. I just use the cleanser again. But if you are somebody who double cleanses their skin, you really don't need to use the cleanser twice. So if I have sunscreen, if I have makeup, I normally do this just a little bit extra with my skin. I don't want any makeup remaining on my skin. If I leave makeup on my skin will always break. So this is how my skin is. This is how simple moisturizing facial wash has left my skin. So this is how, when I use this product every now and again, all this time I've been using it for the last 1 month, this is how it normally leaves my skin. So first thing about this product, it cleanses my skin, it does clean my skin. As you can see, my skin feels clean, my skin feels moistured. Sometimes when I started using this product, I was not liking it because my skin felt like it was stripping out this my skin was a little bit dry. It left my skin a little bit dry, but as time goes, my skin adjusted with it. So this is how my skin is. It cleans your skin. It does clean your skin. It doesn't strip out the oil out of your skin. So this is how my skin is. As you can see, it's clean. I feel clean. It's not dry. So after using it for a month and so, I've been using this product for even more than a month. My skin has actually gotten used to it. So as you can see at the moment. So if you want to see if this product honestly, if it does actually clean your skin, you can always try with the toner. You can always go in with the toner. Toners always, I'm going to use the simple soothing facial toner. So you just put a little bit of toner in the cotton pad, then you go ahead and do this with the skin. Is it wiping? Is this is this wiping, or is this what is this called? You just wipe it a little bit on your skin and you look at the cotton pad. I just want to show you. And then you look at the cotton pad. So this is how it leaves my skin. You can see that toners are supposed to, you can see some traces of makeup are still there. So toners are supposed to balance your pH, and also it helps to remove any traces of makeup that the cleanser might have not removed. So as you can see, this is why I always do love toners, especially on the days that I don't double cleanse. So if I do double cleanse, I don't need I normally don't use a toner, but if I don't double cleanse, I use a toner to help me to remove any traces of makeup that my moisturizer might have not removed. So this product at the moment is £3.80, and I'll £3.80, I think they're 150 ml, so you can get it. And also you can always get these travel size to just to try it with your skin before you decide or you commit to the big size. So, and I like the fact that it's affordable. You can reach simple skincare products anywhere and everywhere. That is one thing I like about them. Text of simple moisturizing cream. It's silky, it is firm, it is not harsh to the skin, and also it's very good if you have sensitive skin, and also if you have dry skin. It's a moisturizing facial wash, so it's going to help you a lot if you have dry skin and also if you have sensitive skin. It has very nice ingredients like also glycerin. Glycerin is an humectant on this moisture in your skin. So simple hydrating light moisturizer. This is one product from Simple that I find it's very lightweight. So if you haven't seen this product before, the only problem I have with this product is the way the bottle is. Look, I have to shake for it to come out. So this is how this product looks like. If you haven't seen it before, it's a very lightweight. It's a very lightweight moisturizer. It's very lightweight, as you can see. Put it on my face so that you can see how it is. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of it on my face. Simple, you need to do something. Simple skincare, you need to do something about this bottle, because look, I have to struggle with it to come out, but this is how it is with my skin. You don't need a lot of it. You really don't need a lot of it. So I'm just going to apply this, and you can see how it blends with my skin. It's a very lightweight moisturizer. These products change my skin. simple moisturizing facial wash. Did they change my skin? And simple hydrating moisturizing cream. So this is my honest thought. This product, simple moisturizing facial wash, if you're somebody who has very dry skin, if you have dry skin, it might leave your skin a little bit dry. And if you also have dry skin, simple hydrating light moisturizer will moisture your skin, but it will moisture your skin, and it's very light. But if you have dry skin, you might need something that is a little bit creamy, but this one is lightweight, so it won't give your skin that, or it won't moisturize your skin as much. Right now it's very dry outside. My skin tends to be very dry during winter, so I find myself sometimes having to reach out for other products to moisturize my skin further, especially if I use them in the morning. I put in a sunscreen, so that helps me to further hydrate my skin or moisturize my skin. But overall, these are very good products. You can use them in the morning, you can use them at night, and they are for all skin types. Did I feel any breakout with simple moisturizing facial wash and simple hydrating light moisturizer? No, I didn't have any breakouts. When I use products or when I review products, I only use those products for the amount of time that I want to review a product. Let's say if I'm reviewing a product for 7 days, I only use that particular product for 7 days, in the morning and at night. I didn't get any breakout, or I didn't feel my skin was, they didn't break out my skin at all. So when I started, they made my skin a little bit dry, but as time goes by, my skin got used to it, because my skin, as I always said in my other videos, I always use other products for my skin, like a toner, I use essence, I use other product on my skin, I use retinol on my skin, I use exfoliant. But when I'm reviewing a product for a certain period of time, I only use those products. So these products didn't actually break my skin, and I've actually used this moisturizer for a long period of time. And I saw a lot of girlies in TikTok said a simple hydrating light moisturizer did break them. I didn't see that on my skin, but our skin differs. I have combination skin, and I'm always on the dry side, so during winter my skin is actually very dry. So this product might be working on my skin, but they might not be working on your skin. So it depends with how you use them, how often you use them, how you use a product is very important. So let me know in the comment section below, have you tried simple moisturizing facial wash, or have you tried simple hydrating light moisturizer? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I will see you on my next video.